Investing in biotech stocks, innovation, and risk. Here are the learning lessons for this blog. Lesson 1. Biotech stocks promise massive gains through innovations like mRNA vaccines and gene editing, captivating Filipino investors. The Philippines' $1 billion market ties global trends to local agri-biotech wins, like BT Tech Plant. Lesson 2. Breakthroughs from firms like Moderna offer high returns, but 85–95% of drugs fail, risking your pesos. Local solutions, like rice disease kits, show smaller, steadier innovation potential. Lesson 3. Volatility and regulatory hurdles, like FDA rejections, can crash biotech stocks overnight, hitting Pinoy portfolios hard. Limited local adoption and funding gaps add unique Philippine challenges. Lesson 4. ETFs and a mix of U.S. and local stocks reduce risk, leveraging platforms like PhilStocks PH for access. Researching trials and biosafety successes, like our 2022 approvals, sharpens your edge. Lesson 5. Long-term biotech investing rewards patience, with global growth to $5.25 trillion by 2030 offering big payoffs. Diversifying with Philippine biotech strengths builds a resilient, future-proof portfolio. The Biotech Boom, a Philippine portal to innovation. Step into the electrifying world of biotech stocks, where science meets fortune. In 2025, biotech's a global powerhouse projected to hit $3.88 trillion by 2030, driven by breakthroughs in gene editing and cancer cures. For Filipinos, it's more than hype. It's a chance to invest in life-changing innovation while leveraging our biotech legacy. The Philippines, a Southeast Asian biotech pioneer, since 2002 backs homegrown advances like beet eggplant and golden rice per YSAA. Imagine funding a U.S. giant like Moderna or a local startup via PhilStocks PH. Your pesos could fuel cures, but it's a tightrope walk, high rewards, dance with high risks. This chapter ignites your curiosity, blending global biotech's promise with Pinoy pride. Ready to turn your savings into a stake in humanity's future? Let's unravel the innovation and peril awaiting in biotech. The Innovation Edge, Biotech's Game, Changing Promise. Picture a world where diseases vanish. Biotech stocks are the key. Innovation #1. Drug breakthroughs. Moderna's mRNA vaccine soared during COVID, while Gilead's $4.5 billion from Veklury in 2021 dazzled. Innovation #2. Gene editing. CRISPR firms like Intellia could rewrite DNA. A $240 million VC darling in 2022. For Filipinos, innovation #3. Local solutions. Our Biotech program boosts rice disease kits and coconut embryo tech per ISAAA. In 2025, Statista sees our biotech market at $1 billion, growing 28% yearly. Small but mighty. This chapter dazzles with biotech's wizardry. A 10,000 peso stake in Novavax once ballooned from $6.81 to $300. With PSE access, you're in the game. But will regulatory hurdles or trial flops dim the shine? It's a high-stakes lab. Step in and see what's cooking. The risky roller coaster. Biotech's dark side. Hold tight, biotech's a wild ride. Risk #1. Trial failures. 85–95% of drugs flop. Per Finamize, BridgeBio crashed 60% after a heart drug bust. Risk #2. Volatility. Novavax settled at $62 by 2022 after its $300 peak. A Pinoy peso pinch. Risk #3. Regulation. FDA delays or rejections, like Zosano's bankruptcy post-migraine patch flop, can sink firms. In the Philippines, PIDS notes only 14.9% of MSMEs use biotech funding. Scarce. Rural access lags. This chapter thrusts you into the storm. A stock rockets, then nosedives your 50 pesos. Code vanish if the dice roll wrong. It's a biotech thriller. Will you brace for the drop or bail? Knowledge is your parachute. Let's strap in and face the turbulence. Pinoy plays. Strategies to win at biotech investing. Ready to play smart Philippines? Strategy #1. ETFs for safety SPDR S&P Biotech. ETF 10BI diversifies risk across 130 plus firms. Accessible via PhilStocks PH for 5,000 pesos. Strategy #2. Local global mix pair US stars like Biotech with our BT Cotton Innovators. Strategy #3. Research deep check, FDA trials, or Philippine biosafety wins. Like beet eggplants, 2022 approval. In 2025, our National Biotechnology Week spotlights mudfish spawning tech, small wins with big potential. This chapter casts you as a biotech maestro. Dodge flops by spreading bets. Fund via GCASH and ride our 28% growth wave. A demo account tests your moves. Will you hit the jackpot or hedge your bets? Your Pinoy playbooks here? Let's master the market. The long haul, building biotech wealth in 2025. Dream of a biotech legacy? Kabayan? In 2025, patience is gold. A 20,000 peso stake in Vertex with 4 drugs live could compound as biotech hits $5.25 trillion by 2030, per verified market research. Risk #4. Funding gaps. Unprofitable startups burn cash. Recursion's $3 billion gap hides losses. But diversify. Blend U.S. giants Gilead with our agri-biotech stars Golden Rice. The Philippine science-based regulation, a model since 2002 per 1 SAA fuels steady growth. This chapter crowns you a visionary. Your portfolio's a jeepney load, U.S. horsepower. Pinoy resilience. PhilStocks. PH's selfie ID sign-up takes minutes. Start small. Aim big. Will you weather the risks for a 2030 payoff? Biotech's your long-term rocket. Launch it with Pinoy grit.